Hello, I'm Tom Mulligan. I'm the Editorial Director of Avocado Media, the publishers of SP2 Interactive. And here I am at Chemovation to interview Dr. Ian Matthews, the company's CEO. Who originally had the idea of founding Chemovation, and what was it that gave him the idea?
In 1999, Chemovation was set up by 4 founders, 1 chemist, namely me, and 3 biologists. We were lucky enough to generate some financial assistance from the Novartis Venture Fund with the aim of developing a business supporting pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies with their early stage drug discovery chemistry. We initially targeted 3 markets, the UK, the US and Japan, and began by offering novel virtual libraries for cherry picking and synthesis. Our first contracts generated cash flow and got us up and running, and we are still capitalising on some of that chemistry even now.
So, how has the business model evolved since the early days?
Later we focused more on developing organic and medicinal chemistry businesses, and Chemovation has continued with this model, aiming to provide chemistry resource to small biotechs and to support their drug discovery programs. Over the 12 years or so Chemovation has been in business, we have amassed a small screening collection through synthesis and acquisition, and this has been and continues to be the start for medicinal chemistry projects for small biotechs.
What sort of projects have you worked on in those 12 or so years? And what are your future prospects?
We have worked on a diverse collection of projects from a diverse customer base, such as big pharma, small biotechs, other chemistry service providers, catalogue companies, analytical companies, generics companies and university groups. This means that Chemovation has developed a broad range of chemistry experience working on heterocyclic compounds, nucleosides, natural and non-natural peptides and amino acids, DNA chelators and porphyrins, for example. The various chemistries we have applied across many different therapeutic areas, from cancer and neurology to infectious diseases and respiratory diseases. Our aim is to establish long-term working relationships with any company, whether they are big pharma or small biotechs. We have a valuable role to play in the early phase progression of drug candidates so as to accelerate the decision-making process. As big pharma outsources more, the value of companies like ours will become even more apparent, and we see good prospects for the future.
Thanks Ian, that was very interesting.
Thanks Tom, nice talking to you.